Can you please hand me the remote?
Ask your doctor about
No, the remote.
Oh, God.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Hand me the remote.
Oh, he didn't say that.
I'm asking you right now. Can you hand me the remote? It's right there. Oh God, it stings. Babe, give me that remote.
No, it's not that bad.
No, give me the remote. Please. Hey,
Okay, God.
can you please hand me the remote?
Yes.
Hand it to me. Babe. Babe. Hand, please. Hey, hey. Can you please look over to the table by your beer? See the remote?
Yes.
Can you pick it up and hand it to me? Babe. Can you pick it up?
Doing it. God.
Babe, please help me. That remote right there. If you could please hand it to me.
Oh my God, here.
You know how long that took you?